How to make Gamepass in Please Donate on mobile. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this easy tutorial. Tap open your Roblox application. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in into your account. To create a pass at the bottom, tap on the More option. Scroll down and select Create. Now you'll be redirected to your Create hub. Once you are in here, tap on the three-line icon, then select Creations. You will find your place right here, so select your place. Even if you are a new user, you will have your place. Then again, tap on the three-line icon at the top in your left-hand side. Scroll down, and under Monetization, select the Passes option. Now from here, you need to select on Create a Pass. You can change the photograph of your ticket if you want to. In the Name option, type in Please Donate. In the description box, you can type in a description or you can just skip it. Then select Create Pass. As you can see, your pass is created. Now we have to tap it on again to make it sellable. From here, you need to tap on the three-line icon again and tap on Sales. Toggle on Item for Sale. Then type in the price in Roblox. Then select Save Changes. As you can see, your pass is updated now. So we have successfully created a Please Donate pass that is sellable and profitable to you. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.